just to summarize, a more creative, free, wild person, then you got to do that. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys having a fabulous week. Wow, still a bit warm here in the UK, in Sheffield. Can't complain. Me and Jamie are having a countdown until we fly to Italy. So we go in the beginning of September, the 2nd to be precise. So no long left. Last night we were browsing on the website. We're always looking at properties, and we found a house that we really like. So fingers crossed for us, guys. Please. We need this house to be suitable for us, because we're getting to the point that we need to buy a property now. Of course, we're not going to buy anything for the sake of it. It's got to be right for what we need. So yeah, fingers crossed. I will keep you up to date with everything anyway. So today we're gonna do a very simple fun project. You know, I love origami, and origami for me is a challenge because my brain doesn't process metal things, so things that's got to be done in a certain way. I'm more like a creative person. I like to do things like free spirit, so when you have to follow things, of course I can do it, but it doesn't come up as quicker as other things. Also, I'm not at work, I'm not like a report person. I'm not like proper like looking at things. I'm not a processor. I'm more like a creative person. We had to do a test not long ago, I think it was like last year at work, and it was a test based on the book. If I find it, I will put a link down below. It's basically, you are a 4 type of person, and based on the answer that you give, you get 4 different profiles. And my profile was the creative leader. So it was funny because when you read the competences and the key points, that was really me. Just to summarize, a more creative, free, wild person, then you got to do that, to cut a story short. But never mind. Right, today let's do some hearts pockets. So super cute, look at that. So you got a pocket on the front and a pocket on the back, same here. Love it. I'm using this is my ephemera kit. If you're interested, I will put the link down below as usual. Now, when you do this origami project, of course, you can use plain paper. If you use printer paper, I recommend you to print on both sides, because otherwise you're going to have white bits and printer bits. So I recommend to do on both ways. So it's got to be a square. My square measured 8 by 8, which is roughly 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So first of all, we're going to do a cross and the diagonal line. So we fold it like that. It doesn't really matter how you position your print, because when you fold, it's all going to be all mixed up. So there isn't, you know, a right way or wrong way to do it, put it that way. So, and then at the end of the day, if we fold it and we got a flowers that are upside down, who cares? There isn't a flowers police in here, is it? And if there is, they've got to report to me. So yeah, so we do that first, and then in there. So been to the gym this morning, and I'm quite tired because when we're going to go to Italy, I won't be going to the gym, so I work particularly harder today, and I feel like I want to have a nap, but I can't have a nap because I got so much to do. So no nappy time, Antonio, no nappy time. Okay, so the scores are done. So that is it in terms of scoreline for now. So make sure they're all done. So what I need you guys to do, so position it like that, so you've got the points on this shape rather than the square. So it's got to be this way, okay? And you've got to fold it, okay, in a way. So I will suggest, this is when you need the third, this is where you need the third hand. Okay, so we've got to get this shape. You've got to mess about until you get the gist of it. Let me zoom in, and I'm hoping that it's easy to understand. That's the trickiest bit. It took me like a while to understand. So what I suggest, pinch the two corners like that. You see what I'm doing? So pinch it up, and then you've got to fold it down so you get this shape. So you get a square. So you get this shape. So this two triangles there and the two triangles there, you fold it inwards like that, okay? And then now we're going to create the rest of the heart. So position it, it stays like that. So then we create the pockets, okay? So that's this way. So fold that in there, then turn around and fold that back down, okay? So that is this triangles here. And then now we're going to do the two heart bit, which what you do, you simply get this tip here to that corner there, okay? Am I in shot? Yes. You do the same on the other side, okay? Now you will end up with these two bits. They're going to be in our way. So open it back out. So put it on the side, open it back out and push this on the opposite way. So when you fold it, you see it's not moving. You see, that's the difference. That it moves, it lifts it up, and that is tucked, that's tucked in. So again, rotate it, open it. You see this tip, you fold it on the exactly opposite way. So from that, you fold it like that, and then you press it down. So in that way, your two bits stay down. Then, totally optional, pinch these two corners inwards, and I use some glue for that because I want, when I use these pockets, I want them, the person to be able to put things on both ways without that to move too much, but you can totally leave it like that. So just going to put some glue in there. Now because you've got different layers, you've got to put glues on all layers so you know that it's going to be shut down completely, so it won't move, okay? And then just hold it for a few seconds. I know it looks complicated, but it really isn't. Okay, so, and you can put anything. You can put a gift card, you can put money, you can put cash, you can put ephemera, you can put photos, you can put some stationery, you can put anything, really anything. These little pockets, if you make journals, you can either leave it like that so they're standing, or you can glue it down so you get a pocket there. And also, I've got something small, and also if you glue like that, you've got a pocket on the back. But if you leave it freestanding, you've got a pocket there and a pocket on the back. Now on the front, you see this, we got this lap here, okay? So if you glue this down there, I'll show you. You put a tiny bit of glue in there, okay? You get another pocket on each side. So a pocket there and a pocket there. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. We do the same on the front. So put a tiny bit of glue. You see how much I'm putting it, just a little tiny bit. Press it down, and then again you will have a pocket there and a pocket there, which is technically one big pocket. But if you put a glue in there, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we call it 6 pockets heart, origami heart. Okay, so as I said, I recommend, guys, use double-side printed paper, so it looks a bit neat, it looks a bit nicer. But again, you can go mad. You can go mad and decorate it. You can put names, you can put embellishment, you can put some flowers. In fact, if you've got like, I've got a little basket with my bits and pieces. You can put a big butterfly there, which we're going to do in a minute. I've got another big one. This is, do you remember when we did this, guys? We did this together with the washi tape. So put that in there. This is my butterfly little tray. Gonna have, see if there's any bit darker. That's it. But again, totally optional. This is part of my pretty pink, I guess. As you know, I'm all about butterflies. Love them, love them, love them. There. Stay there, don't move. Why are you moving? Stay there. And one more. I need to top up this glue and I keep postponing it. Do you know these things that you need to do because you know you need to do it, but you can't be bothered to do it? And it's like, yep, another day, yep, another day, yep. And it's getting to the point that there's no glue left in that little tub. So that's our 6 pockets hearts. Very simple. What do you guys think? If you like them, big thumbs up. And then if you make them, please share them in our Facebook group. Very interactive platforms. Everybody's sharing all sorts of projects. We're taking inspiration from one another. So don't be shy. Join us in there. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you Friday for another Friday freebie. Thank you so much for watching once again. And until Friday, stay safe and well.